Want to create amazing music but don't know how to get started? In this video, I'll show you how to download FL Studio in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. It's super simple. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is most important for us, so please like this video. First, open Google and type download FL Studio. Click on the official FL Studio website. Don't worry, it's easy to spot. You can also type the URL directly if you know it. Once on the website, scroll down to find the download options. If you're on Windows, hit Download FL Studio for Windows. Mac users, don't worry, there's a Mac OS installer just for you. For this tutorial, I'll show you how it works on Windows. When you click Download, a pop-up will appear. Just confirm, and your download will start. Once it's done, open the file and follow the instructions to install. And that's it. You've now got the FL Studio free trial ready to explore. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.